How to add featured videos on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can basically add a featured video on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to add a video to your featured collection on Facebook, all you have to do is first of all launch the Facebook application, and then you just want to come to this little profile page to come to your profile icon. Now right here, if you scroll down, you'll find a featured section. So if you want to add a video, first of all your featured section are the past stories that you have already uploaded in the past. You must have uploaded a video in your story in the past so that you can add that video to your featured section. So just like you have the highlights on Instagram, it's just an old story from archive that you add them. Similarly is also the featured section, but you can tap the plus button here and then you can simply go ahead and then choose a video that you would like to use, and once you select a certain video you can just hit the next option and then you can add that to your featured collection. That's all it takes to basically add featured videos on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.